Hello friends, welcome back to Coding Wala Shree. In this video, we are going to go through an interesting scenario which many Java developers might not be aware of. It's all about default methods with multiple inheritance. If you have not watched my previous videos on default methods, I would recommend you to watch previous 2 episodes of it and come back to this video. In multiple inheritance, a class has 2 or more parents. So let's extend our example to demonstrate this behavior of default methods in multiple inheritance. We saw a single and multi-level inheritance where default method from most specific default providing interface was selected. But in this case of multiple inheritance, there are 2 parents having default method with same signature, right? That means both the parents are equally specific, so which one to select is the question. So let's see this by writing code. I will add a printable interface here with same default method which is print, which we have in shape interface. Now it is time to modify circle class to inherit or to implement from printable as well. Well, as you can see here, as soon as I implement from printable and it was already implementing from shape, so compiler started complaining about ambiguity. It is also confused which default method to be selected. Is it from printable or is it from shape interface, right? So as both the parents are having print method, there is an ambiguity to resolve. So this problem is also called as diamond problem with default methods. You can note this point. So if you observe this message closely, IntelliJ is suggesting solution to this problem. It is to implement print method explicitly in our circle class. To save some time, let me copy this print method from shape. Okay, so as soon as our circle class is now overriding a print method, you can see that compile time error is now gone, right? So this is good. So in a nutshell, we understood that in case of multi-level inheritance, when 2 methods are equally specific, then explicitly override the method. This is an important point to note. But wait, both our parents are already having their own implementation of print method, right? So how can we simply call any of the default method from circle's overridden print instead of giving the different implementation in circle? Is that possible? Yes, it is possible. So we can use super keyword for this purpose. Okay, as we have done the changes, it's time to test our code, how it behaves. So let me change shape client class. We just need to call print method of the circle object to test our code. So let me comment out the rest of the code. Okay, fine. So the code is working here, right? It is calling print method of printable as we have explicitly asked it to do. So even we can call both the print methods at the same time in our overridden print method. We can also call print method of our shape interface the same way, like shape.super.print, and it will also be called. Let's just test our code again. So yeah, as you can see here, it is calling both the print methods, right? So that's the way you can handle default methods in case of multiple inheritance. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.